Tim from Huck Small Engine Repair and Sales here with a bag. This is a Husqvarna bag. The fabric is clearly destroyed. A customer brought this in, and they asked a really legitimate question that I hadn't thought about. They asked if they could just get a replacement bag, so I offered them just the part number to buy new fabric and said that I would install it for them. And they asked, why can't I just take the bag off of that mower over there, pointing at a different one? And I said, well, not all bags work the same. And the gentleman was like, well, what do you mean, aren't all lawnmower bags the same? And I said, oh no, absolutely not. So I'm up here in our bag room. As you can see, we have a ton of lawnmower bags. These ones just don't have homes yet. We just don't have the mowers for them. When we get used mowers in, every day, if they don't have a bag, we come up here to find them. But here's a perfect representation. Both of these Husqvarna bags, but they must have different frames. They got different handle setups, different adjuster setups. Look, so this rides on the back side of the mower. These two are clearly different. So even if he would have pointed to this and gone, hey, that's a Husqvarna bag, there's no way these are gonna go on the same exact mower. Same with this one. This one's different even yet. It's straight, it's not slanted. This one's got a really weird groove in it. There's so many different styles, you guys. Here's another different style. The mower that this goes on, it opens up a little door and clicks on here. That's totally different. So the point I'm getting at is, although it just seems like all mower bags, they hang on the same, they all click on and then you put the lid down. They're not all the same. So this is a big problem that we have. We have 40, 50 bags in stock here. Obviously use some new fabrics, but it's just really hard if the mower doesn't come in with a bag, because we can't just take any old bag. It takes the exact bag, the exact frame of the bag to go on your mower. Like I said, these two Husqvarnas, clearly the same manufacturer, but two totally different lawnmowers. So I wanted to point that out after that guy asked me, and I had never really thought about it. Me knowing what I know, I always assumed people just knew, but people don't know, and that's what I'm here to help educate you guys. So just remember, always keep your lawnmower bag. Even if you don't use it, keep it in the shed, keep it out of the elements. You never know when you're gonna need it. Hope to see you on the next one. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you follow, like, and subscribe. Make sure you turn that bell on for notifications. We're just starting out our YouTube channel, but we've been mowing lawns for over 50 years, servicing, repairing mowers for over 40 years. So it just runs in our blood. I'm a third generation owner. We just like to work on small engines. So yeah, we're just starting a YouTube channel. Hope to see you on the other side.